Hey everybody, we had a leak right here. We're doing some pre-season maintenance on the pool, and this box attachment here where the water flows into the pump here, the skimmer area. We had a small leak right here. You can see it dripping down here, a little bit of water, a little bit of rust over here. So instead of trying to caulk this, what I got is Flex Seal spray. This is clear Flex Seal spray right here, and spraying it right here, putting several coats. Go ahead and put some more right here. So that is a material that dries, it's waterproof, and it's going to stop this leak. So I put multiple coats on that. So if you've got some small leaks like that, maybe around your hoses also, and you're just having problems, try some of this Flex Seal spray, clear spray. That might be what you're looking for.
I've been waiting in the foyer, foot on the gas, I'm ready to go ahead. I hate being late, here we go again. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up. It's chilly outside, but I'm ready to burn. Super hot fire when I move, better feel that burn. Get up before the sun is up, baby, let's work. Good morning. Ready or not, here I